Hey, practice make perfect.
I'm using it as a film.
All right.
Sports and shit. Get better.
There you go. There you go. Yeah, you doing good. You're grouping together though. Nah, it's more than that. There you go. You did good, my brother. You did good. Get him. Another gunner in training here. Oh, shit. In training, oh, shit. Gun day, fun day with the fam. Got that stick. Can't go wrong with that stick. You know you might have to beat somebody. You feel me? Never know. Ain't my red dot all the way off. It look like it's off. How you doing?
What, Kip?
Cuz said he aiming for the grade.
Oh, damn.
How many bullets you had?
How many shots I
But you could bring yours in some if you want to though.
Bring it in some?
I got you.
Yeah, you should have been angry. Yeah, do that for Yeah, right there. Oh, go back a little bit.
Nah, you know how it still slide once you hit it.
Yeah, you know
See?
that fucker, it'll slide.
There you go. Yeah, get your hand right. Brace your hand. Line the sights up.
See what happened. No, I ain't ready.
Did you cock it?
Yeah, I don't think it's caught. Yeah, it's one in the chamber.
There we go. You had it in that dead center. You're going for the grade. Okay, look, Okay, went down a little bit, but it's all right.
He shot him in the head.
Yeah. He said he's going for the dude in the gray.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I ain't going way off. You good. Yeah, take your time.
I'm out. I'm done.
You done?
That's it.
All right. He going for the gray. 2 of them got away. Okay. Well, 3 of them got away. It's all right. It's all right.
All right.
Better find that damn bullet.
It's right there.
Oh.
Kip. This is what I mean by double tap. Look.
Hold on, I'm coming.
You ain't did shit.
I like it, man. I like it.
We gotta see if this motherfucker sighted in though. Goddamn shells bouncing everywhere.
It's that gas thing.
What? Hell no, that motherfucker ain't sighted.
Which one you aiming for?
I was aiming for the head. That motherfucker went everywhere. But then again, I was shooting.
Go ahead. I missed it.
Right in the middle, right between his lungs.
All right, yep. Just imagine getting hit right there.
Right.
So just imagine getting hit right there. God, that hurt.
Oh, take it further back. You say the heart. You ain't nowhere near the heart. There you go. There you go.
I'm coming out my Crocs.
Safety first, people. That's why you wear tennis shoes.
You ain't lying, boy. I said, oh, I'm coming out my Crocs. Did I about slipped on the dang shell?
Oh, shit. Hold on. On the video. Look at that. Let's see what
He was aiming for the heart. He shot what, 10 bullets?
I don't know. I don't know.
Shot about 10.
We're working with.
A couple of them were too low.
Oh, he got that heart, though.
Yeah.
Right.
Most
I tried
of
to
them,
get
yeah.
Right in the middle.
Did I? Show y'all how to do it professional.
Oh, wait. You got to tell us where you're aiming at. You got to tell us the target, too.
The gray one on the left. Say hello to my little friend. Oh, it didn't go. I don't know why I don't never shoot the first bullet.
That chamber could be off.
Don't you run from me.
Hold on, dude. Shoot one more.
I got him up.
Damn.
Came too late to the party, my friend.
Yeah, I did.
What that is right there? Okay.
Yeah. I don't know why that first one don't shoot though. Come on, damn bullet went. Y'all see my bullet?
Yeah.
I ain't get it.
This fruitcake.
I ain't really.
Cause I got the Microscorpion Evo 3, baby.
Hold the bottom of the barrel. You holding the clip.
Hold on.
Yeah, there you go. You can do. Yeah.
Right there, right there.
Yeah.
I'm messing up.
Nah, you can hold it right there too.
Yeah.
That's my dog. Ain't no more. That's my dog. Be my brother, you let me know.
I went for the gray. I don't know how I did, though. I went for the gray at the bottom. All them bottom shots at the bottom probably me. Gun on them.
Little 40, you know, little 40 customized, you know what I'm saying? Little 40 customized. That one, just slide it down. And then you want to make sure you just barely pull it. You see the bullet up there? That means it's loaded. There you go. Make sure you get your hands right. Nope. See, look. There you go. Put your finger up there.
Right here.
Yeah. Now put that one. Yeah, there you go. Control the recoil. When you get ready to shoot, make sure you pull this one, this hand right here.
Yeah.
Pull it in, yeah. When you get ready to shoot. Hold on, Kip. Gotta get my phone ready for you.
Don't post it though, cause I'll do terrible, man.
I'm ready. Hey, it don't matter.
Don't post it though.
Hey, practice make perfect.
We don't, I'm gonna use it as a film, not sports and shit. Get better.
There you go. They're grouping together though.
Stop jumping, Kip.
Alright.
There you go. I think it's one more.
Nah, it's more than that. You did good, my brother. You did good. Another gunner in training here, boys. In training, boys. Raise your hand. On the side.
Shit, what happened? Oh, I ain't ready. I don't think
Did
it's
you
caught.
cock it?
Yeah, I don't think it's caught. Yeah, it's one in the chamber.
There we go. Yeah, dead center. Okay, look good. Okay, went down a little bit, but it's all right.
He shot him in the head.
Yeah, he's going for it.
Yeah.
Oh, I ain't going way out.
Oh, my bad.
You good, dude. Yeah, take your time.
Alright, I'm out. I'm done. I'm
Yeah.
done. That's it. That's it. That's it.
Alright.
That's it. That's it.
We going for the gray. 2 of them got away. Or
Okay.
3 of them got away.
Okay.
It's all right. It's all right.
Alright.
Push that in. And then the cock it, see it's on safety. So it ain't gonna let you pull it back because it's on safety. The cock it, you push this down, all the way down, then you cock it, then you be ready to shoot. I'm gonna let you load it. I don't know how many in there.
Oh, shit.
I think it's 20.
Damn.
Ain't my red dot all the way out. It look like it's